How to add avatar in Roblox Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add different avatars on your experience on Roblox Studio. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is find the home screen on your Roblox Studio. Then you want to open up any experience. You can either head over to experiences over here to open any one of your existing experience, or you could go to the templates tab and then open any experience from here. I'll just go ahead and open this base plate over here, which is gonna be just this plate, the spawn plate. I'll show you how you can add your characters over here. Once your Roblox editor is opened, you need a few things that you have to show on screen to be able to add characters. So first of all, you just want to basically head over to the View tab over here, click on View, and then make sure that the toolbox is enabled. So you'll find the toolbox section over here. Now, if you just close this, you won't be able to see it. So you basically have to add your toolbox like your Explorer and Properties. So make sure you just enable the toolbox. I already have the toolbox over here. So what I'm able to do is simply go ahead and search for certain things. Let me just close this terrain editor, and I'll just make the toolbox bigger over here on this side. All right, now you need something called plugins. Now, if you already have the toolbox, now the next step is to select a plugin. You can see that after you've added toolbox over to your home screen, you should be able to see the plugin option right besides view. So you can just go ahead and click on plugins, and then from the models, you can select plugins. Now what you're going to have to do next is search for a plugin. Click on the search bar and then search for something called load character. Hit enter, and you'll find different options. So there are certain things to keep in mind. Once this is open, there are free version as well as the paid version. I'm going to be continuing on with this free version over here. Let me just quickly go over here and then click on load character. Now you can just click on install, and the item has been added to inventory. Now double click on this, and you should be able to add any character you want. So you can just click on this option over here, load character. Now you basically have to go to your plugins option and then click on this one called load character. Now it will generate this pop-up. All you have to do is simply go ahead and enter the username of the character that you want to load. These are real players, so this is the creator of this plugin, so by default it's showing his profile. But let me just go ahead and enter my username, and I'm able to add and load my character as well. You can do multiple people, so you could just go ahead and add any character you want. So I'll just go ahead and enter something like this, and you should be able to load character without any problem. You could also add random characters. So let me just go ahead and add this character. So if you want to spawn it at origin, click on this checkbox, and then you can just go ahead and spawn R6 or R15. Either one of those is fine, and then click on spawn. As you can see, this base plate is my spawn allocation, so I'm able to easily add the character. Now you can do multiple characters if you want. Let's say if I want the characters to spawn over here, I'll just check this out, click on spawn again, and the character is spawned over here. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.